Students, this is the next question. We are given a cuboid. Let me draw the cuboid. Okay, this is the approximate figure of the cuboid. So this has got length, this has got width, this has got height. This is a cuboid. Now the length is given as 7 centimeters. The width is given as 4 centimeters. The height is given as 5 centimeters. Now we are asked to find the total surface area. Now the total surface area for the cuboid is given to be as 2 times L times W plus W times H plus H times L. That's a formula. So now what you got to do is you will have to get L into W. 7 multiplied with 4 is 28, then W into H, which is 4 multiplied with 5, which is 20, then H into L, that is 5 into 7, that is 35. So take all this and substitute it over here. So this is going to be 2 times of 28, 20 and 35. This added would give you 48 and 35, 13, 183 multiplied with 2. So you can write that down. 2 times of 83, 3 to the 6 and 8 to the 16 cm squared, because the unit is in cm. So that's the total surface area. You can block the result to show the examiner that you have got the working correct.